Hi, welcome to this short video on how to find articles using the library's electronic resources. The library can be found by starting at mbc.edu and going to Student Support and clicking Library. This is the library's homepage. There are multiple ways to get to the library's electronic resources and databases where you can find articles for research papers. One of the most common ways to access the library's electronic resources is by using the electronic database A to Z page. This page will show you every database that the library subscribes to. Under each database is a description of what that database offers as well as what subjects it covers. You'll notice on the right-hand side are some of the more popular databases that are available, or you can use any of the ones that you see on this list. We're going to start with a database called Academic Search Complete. This is a very common database for students to start with if you have a topic that covers a wide range of subjects. When you click on the name of the database, you will be asked to log in with your student email account if you are accessing it from off campus. Once you are in the database, you will see several search boxes. In these search boxes, you can put in the keywords of your particular topic. Databases do not work on regular sentences like you and I speak, so it's helpful just to use the keywords in a topic. So if we start with a topic such as working from home, or another word for working from home is also called teleworking, and if I put in a third term and say stress, this will find articles that have to do with working from home and stress or teleworking and stress. You'll also notice that I have placed the phrase working from home in quotations. When you have a phrase that is common and you want the database to search that phrase as one unit, you place those terms inside quotation marks. Once you've entered your keywords into each of the boxes, we can then click on the search button. This will give you a list of results of articles that match that search. Now, once you have a list of articles, you'll see on the left-hand side you have several ways that you can limit your search. You want to make sure to limit your search results to those things that are available full text to you on the computer. Then, if you need to, if you are looking for scholarly or peer-reviewed journals, you can also limit to scholarly or peer-reviewed. That way you will only get those journal articles and not magazine or newspaper articles. Once you have a list of results that you like, you can then click on the title or click where it says full text to see the full text of that particular article. Once you find an article that you like, you want to pay attention to some of the things that you can do with that article. Over on the right, you can save it to Google Drive, you can print it, you can email it to yourself. This can go to any email address that you want, so you can send it to your student email or your Gmail. You'll also notice over here the citation format. You'll want to make sure to email yourself the citation format that you need for your assignment. That way you have it available to you so you can copy and paste it into your assignment at a later time. You'll also notice that every article has subject terms assigned to them. These subject terms are great to use if you need to broaden your search or narrow your search, or just take your topic in a different direction. If I go back to my list of results, and I don't want to email these articles to myself all individually, you can click the plus sign on the right-hand side, and they will add them to your folder, and you can look at them at a later time. You can add as many articles as you would like to your folder, and once you are done, you can come up to the folder at the top of the page, and then you can email all of these articles to yourself at the same time, and don't forget that citation format. This is a very quick overview of how you can find articles in one of our more popular databases, Academic Search Premier. If you would like to add additional databases, you'll see a link at the top that says Choose Databases. From here, you'll see additional databases such as education, environmental, health, history. You can choose as many of these databases as you would like to search simultaneously. Once you've chosen all of your different databases that you want to search, you will then just click OK. And you can then do your search again, and it will give you additional results that you may not have had before. So you can see I need to limit to full text again. I need to limit to peer reviewed. And then I have a list of results that I can look at. You can also always limit by date range if you want to, over here, as well as a number of other things that you can limit by. This is a brief overview of how to find articles and email them to yourself using the library's databases A to Z page.